YouTube, welcome back to the Central Coast on kind of a cloudy, foggy day. I have been without this little beast for about 2.5 weeks now. Had some stuff done to it, and I'll go over that later. Put on some aero headers and left the stock exhaust. So let's take a little ride and see how this baby feels. Ooh, little pop there. Here we go. 2022 BMW S1000R with a new aero header. Yeah, first gear is a little peppier. A little more torque in the lower gears. I would say that is super noticeable right off the bat. Probably lost about 30 pounds on this bike. So this is going to be a screamer, a screaming little beast. So, did you get it tuned, Alex? Yes! Yes, I did. Went with the Bren tune again. Oh, okay, okay, you're turning right there, gotcha. Alright. Yes, I went with the Bren tune, so we got it all done. Woo! It's chilly. I'm gonna turn on my heated grips. Here we go. Oh boy, protect me, Father, in Jesus' mighty name. This bike's gonna be insane. What I'm gonna do is get rid of these mirrors, and I'm done. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. So thanks to Kalimoto, I got the idea about the aero header and leaving the stock can on from him, watching one of his videos. I think it's called Kalimoto TV. Another skunk! Holy moly! Oh! And I like the sound. Oh, the throttle response is amazing. I am barely turning the throttle and it just wants to go. Like unbelievable. Wow. Whoa! That's all I can say. But it's so smooth. And the shifter, I didn't think you could get any smoother. I really didn't. It's like the smoothest shifter ever. Well, guys, if you have this bike and you're on the fence, oh my goodness, about removing the cat, getting a header on there, oh, I tell you what, it's amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh, low fuel, crap, I gotta get some gas, okay. Oh my gosh, this bike is the most incredible thing I've ever ridden. It truly is. Tire pressure not at set point. Okay, alright. Alright, I'll check it. Amazing. It feels absolutely amazing. When I first bought this bike, I thought to myself, you know what, I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to do that much to it. But man, I just get so excited. Just can't help it. It's like, I don't know. It's a bit of an addiction, I have to say. All right. That was beyond my wildest expectations. All right, so let's get a sound check of the exhaust warmed up. Like I said, one more time, we got aero headers and stock can. So what else did I do recently? Oh yes, tail tidy. There it is. T-Rex tail tidy. And it wasn't really that expensive. Went with T-Rex frame sliders. Those look really good. Very happy with those. T-Rex front axle sliders. And I've shown you before the carbon fiber front fender. And then this really cool windscreen. I think it's just a BMW. I'll have to double check on that. Carbon fiber rear hugger and chain guard. T-Rex rear axle sliders. I gotta get some spools. Oh, well, I think you've already seen this. The rear tail. And my gas cap. TWM. And that's it. New mirrors coming. And I think that's about all I will need to do. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm just so excited. Oh, I showed you these when I took off the rear passenger pegs. I put on these little blocking plates. Those are so cute. Look how cute they are. Yeah. Okay, guys. Let me know what you think. Shoot me some comments. Appreciate your views. And I will catch you next time. Oh, look, my gloves match my bike. Okay, bye-bye.